warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce my team. My name is Anissa Diramawati, study number 4, and my friend
Aprilia Kiara, study number 5.
We would like to practice a dialogue about describing your job.
Hello Nisa, I heard that you just moved to a new company. How does it feel compared to your old workplace?
I think it's different. Working hours here seem more disciplined and there is early overtime. In my old company, I often completed work outside of office hours.
So, what about the work culture in the new office and the old office?
If in the old company, communication between one another helps staff and normal. Here is more relaxed. Communication is also normal in between divisions.
Wow, that's so exciting. You are more comfortable in your new company. So, what kind of facilities do you get in your new company?
In the old company, the facilities were standard and the workspace was small. In the new company, the workspace is more comfortable, the pantry is complete, and there is even a break room for employees.
Wow, it sounds like you are getting better at your current place.
I wish I'm happy because I can get more, even though the children are also beautiful.